There's luxury, and then there's the kind of luxury that only a few get to experience. What makes a meal truly exclusive? The rare ingredients, the legacy, or the fact that only a few members of the society get to enjoy this elite meal? Today, we step inside a dining experience that is like none other. It screams power, wealth, and royalty. Let's see if Loya at the Taj Mahal Palace and Towers, Mumbai lives up to the hype. Welcome to Loya, the new gem at the iconic Taj Mahal Palace and Towers in Mumbai. A place where history meets luxury. Once the abode of global icons, this century-old property is more than just a hotel. It's a legacy. Every dish here tells a story, from the foothills of the Himalayas to your plate. Loya's chefs have meticulously researched and curated flavors from Uttarakhand, Kashmir, and Himachal Pradesh. Biryanis or chicken tikka masala? No way! Loya shows you a face of North Indian cuisine that you've never seen before. An experience like no other.
At Loya, every dish tells us the story of the heart of the North subcontinent, its people, its places, and its seasons. We source our ingredients with care and intention, traveling to the origins of flavors that define our cuisine. The robust Lakhori chili, the earthy Bhangjira, the bold Ori mustard, or the finger millet, each is a treasure of tradition and terroir. These ingredients, hand-picked at their peak, are the soul of our creation. They meet age-old techniques like dungar, bhagat, tandoor and dum to bring a symphony of taste to your palate. At Loya, it's not just about food, it's about celebrating a journey from soil to spice and from farm to flavor.
Witness the theatrics of the dal ki chaat. The Kangla Korea Gosht, a Pahari mutton curry infused with hand-ground charred walnut ink. This is made out of walnut shells. Other rare ingredients include Guchi Kala Moti Pulao, a Kashmiri morel mushroom pulao paired with Ori Raita. And don't miss the white rajma preparation from Uttarakhand. These are flavors that you won't find anywhere else. Let's meet the brand custodian, Mr. Tajinder.
This is Loya is one of our restaurant brands which we have launched very, very recently.
Right.
It's about 3 years old, and a huge amount of effort, collective effort of many members of the team ground up,
Right.
as well as knowledge gleaned from the remotest of villages, to people's ancestries, to teams going back to grandparents and generations before them to understand what are the ingredients, what are the cooking methodologies, and then researching that to create the cuisine concept. Our associates who are working at Loya, for example, will be able to translate the story of Loya from their hearts and in their own words,
Right.
and drawing back on the experience of their own narrations from their own generations of stories brought down. It's all from the heart, and it's sincerity of the preparation, the delivery, and the joy that they get in narrating the story to our guests. That carries the thread of the soul of Tajness, and in the idea of authentic, genuine, gracious hospitality.
You know, there are little details in the entire restaurant that kind of really celebrate Indian culture. Can you tell us a little bit more about what went behind the scenes in bringing that to life? Because I think it matters to us that, there's so much work going behind what
Yeah.
we now see in Loya.
There is a lot of deep thought into what we have done. So, in the Loya in Delhi and the Loya in Bangalore, for example, there are 5 patterns in which the stone has been carved out, right? And those 5 patterns, each pattern represents one river of that region, and there are 5 big rivers as we know. And those then translate into the philosophy of Loya Panch. And Loya Panch then translates into the philosophy of the cocktails that we have here. So it's right from the patterns to ingredients to the output in the form of cocktails. The fabric that you see is depicting the vibrancy of the land. Yeah. And that vibrancy of the land translates into the color of the uniforms they wear, and it's all mixed and it's colorful.
Right.
And that translates even to our napkin and tabletops. One of the water goblets is from Punjab, which is the glassy as we call it. And the other is the lumpy clay, the black clay, which is also very, very traditional to the Indian culture. Bars and Indian cuisine doesn't go together, right?
Right.
We were very keen to break that cliche because there is so much that can be done with cocktails and creating a cocktail program which goes so well with Indian cuisine, and that has been amply proven by Loya.
Yes.
So our cocktails are such that practically can't be copied because what goes into it as infusions or what goes into it as the mix of ingredients is something which is only known to Loya. So
Right.
you can't possibly have bar A, B or C in the city being able to copy this
Right.
because they wouldn't know what goes into it.
Yeah.
That is one aspect. The other aspect is, of course, that the ingredients themselves are from the land itself.
Right.
It's not from imported from elsewhere and brought in. That's the second aspect of authenticity. The third is that India and the younger generation in India is more than ready to accept the fact that cocktails in Indian cuisines is absolutely a smashing concept.
Yeah.
And we've proven it now the third time over with Delhi, Bangalore and Bombay being the third one.
Right.
People absolutely love the idea of a very bar forward Indian cuisine restaurant. It's a gathering for a feast. Chalo Loya kare.
So if you want to feel like royalty, Loya is the experience that you must try. With authentic ingredients and unique recipes from Uttarakhand, Kashmir and the Himalayas, this place is a must visit. The robust cocktail menu totally makes it worth it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. We will see you next time, and don't forget to tag us and Loya if you do visit. Bye-bye.